You
Pay attention, this is important
Oh,
later.
no Cam Clark and MGS4.
What?
Yeah, Liquid. It's all Ocelot.
Bullshit. You know he'll show up.
No, they've already confirmed on the voice casting.
But what about his arm?
Well, even the Japanese Liquid didn't show up in the casting.
He still has
Well, apparently someone's got full control. Is it Ocelot?
a foot, maybe.
Maybe when he gets Liquid's hat, he'll come.
Liquid Ocelot.
But all I care about is Snake and Rex versus Liquid and Rare. Okay, thanks.
But it's not Liquid, it's Ocelot. We've just been over this.
Oh, that
anything read on
sucks.
the internet?
What's the internet?
It's for porn.
Grab your dick and double click.
Porn.
Can anybody name the actual musical that is from?
Isn't it? It's something Avenue.
Avenue Q.
Avenue Q.
Whoa! That was pretty strong. Whoa!
Holy shit, wave dash.
Super wave dash. Super wave dash into up smash seems good. Kudo grab.
Batman punches.
That was the best sound ever.
That's why I dealt to feel pain.
That's auto combo right there. Come on, he just ran, he just fell down.
Fire greater than Nikita. I don't believe it.
Let's see,
Dude, he found out, we're finding out shit that other people haven't found out.
Oh,
Drop
heck.
kick,
Get
greater
back
than
here.
Fox.
Get my back here.
Showtime.
What are you talking about, Chris? You saying Snake sucks, man?
Dude, Snake sucks a huge cock. I was there.
Playing Metal Gear Solid?
Oh god. I didn't know you could do that.
You shouldn't hurt it still, right?
This is.
The Nikita can't hurt it, but after it's
look.
been shined,
If you shine it, it does. I'm pretty sure at
You
least.
played Metal Gear Solid. You turn that shit around. Oh yeah.
I would think if you hit yourself with a missile, it'd hurt.
But it
Dude,
does.
obviously you don't know about Snake.
Metal Gear.
Ah. Can't jump out of it.
Metal Gear.
Keep trying there.